What up, YouTube? Today is a leg day. Starting off, RDLs. We're going to do a warm up set, about 30 pounds, just to get the movement down before we do our working set. All right, feels pretty good. Now we need to load it up. So on these, I do 2 sets because I find my grip gives out before my legs. So this actually makes sense to do 2 sets. Next exercise is going to be leg extension. On these, I'm going to do single leg, full stack. So I've already pre-exhausted with the single legs. So now I'm just doing double leg. Ooh, catch up on my breathing. Oh, God. Next exercise is a leg press. I'm going to do 1 set feet close and 1 set feet wide. All right, here we go. Getting close. All right, one more. Oh my goodness. If I can get up. Second set, we're going to do a wider stance. I've recovered mostly by resting, heart rate's down. Obviously, I don't think I'm going to do as many reps, but I'm still going to try to push it. So, first set was like this. This set's going to be like this. Let's just go to sleep. So I definitely think that Powerade, it helped. I wouldn't have had energy for that if I didn't drink that Powerade. Oh my God. Now I don't think you're going to be running tomorrow.
Yeah, no.
Just a walk. Stretch at the bottom. 1, 2, here, and then squeeze. And then like it hurts and you have to release it. And I'll wait till it's fully relaxed at the bottom before I go back up. It's different. And what you'll feel is this side, because it's actually two parts. You know, you got this part here, and then you have the soleus. You'll feel it on the inside. All right. It's crazy. Like they're
Yeah.
Like you can just, every step you take feels like you're flexing on.
Woo! Workout complete. Leg day, best day. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what kind of split you're currently doing. Do you need help losing body fat? Are you trying to get stronger, build muscle? Let me know in the comments below. We'll see you in the next one.